Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In the next set of videos, we will be going over some past Algebra 1 exam questions. Before we do that, guys, I would really like to thank those who have been watching my videos consistently. Please always remember to give the video a thumbs up as you watch. And always remember to share my videos with a friend and tell that friend to share it with another friend. And most importantly, please, pretty please, subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. So let's get into what we're going to be doing today. Today we will be evaluating functions. So question number 1, if function x is equal to x minus 3 to the second power plus 1, what is function 6? And the choices are A, -2, B, 7, C, 10, and D, 16. Okay, so let's rewrite our problem. Fx equals x minus 3 squared plus 1. So this is our original problem function. And now we want to find what is the value of function 6. So when x is functioning as 6, what is the value? So f6 is equal to x minus 3 squared plus 1. Function 6 is equal to 6 minus 3 squared plus 1. So now the x is 6. Six is equal to 6 minus 3 is 3 squared plus 1. Step by step, 3 squared is equal to 9 plus 1. So function 6 is equal to 10. Step by step. So we see that our correct choice is C. Next, number 2. If function x is equal to a half x squared minus a quarter x plus 3, what is the value of function 8? Now we have our choices. So first, let's rewrite the problem. Fx is equal to a half x squared minus a quarter x plus 3. And now we want to find function 8. So function 8 is equal to a half 8 squared 1/2 8 squared. Minus 1/4 of 8 1/4 8 plus 3. Function 8, 1/2 of 8 squared, so it's 1/2, 8 times 8, 64, minus 1/4 of 8, which is 2, plus 3. A half of 64 is 32 minus 5. 2 plus 3, 5. 32 minus 5 is equal to 27. And we see our answer. Choice 3 is the correct choice. And there you have it today. Very straightforward, step by step. All we got to do is to plug in the function that they want us to evaluate the x function as. So thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next video.